The area of a triangle is the half times the base times the height. But what's important to remember is that the base and the height aren't specific sides of the triangle, they're whatever I want. So for example, I could say, and probably would say, that this is the base of this triangle, and then imagine the base as being, so the base is this long, but the triangle is sitting on the floor, its base is on the floor, and then its height would be how high off the ground it goes, so this would be its height. But I don't have to use that as the base. I could use this as the base, here, in which case the height is how high off the ground it goes there, that would be the height. And I could also use this as the base. I can use any side I like as the base. If this is the base, I would draw the floor extending so I could measure its height. So the base is still just this length of this triangle, but then the height would be here, how high off that base floor it goes. So it's base, half base times height, where you choose the base and you choose the height. But the important thing to remember is that the base must be perpendicular to the height. So in the green case, we've got a right angle here. In the red case, we've got a right angle here. And in the blue case, we've got a right angle here. So the skill really is choosing your base. So for example, if we have a triangle looking like this, then I would choose this to be my base, because it's really obvious how long it is. The base is from there to there. So if this is a 2 and this is a 6, then the base is length 4. Now, having done that, I now need to work out the corresponding height. So if I continue my base so that I can see what that height is, there's the height there. This is the height of the triangle. And that is measured from here to here. So all I'd need to know is, what's that coordinate there? It might be 10. What's this coordinate here? This might be a 6, in which case the height is 6. So you really, 6, not 6, 4. So you really need a picture with this. If you don't draw a picture, then you're going to overcomplicate it, stroke go wrong, stroke both. I'll do one more example. So for example, say my triangle was here, like that. Then I would choose this to be the base at the bottom. And the reason I would choose that is because if I know this coordinate and this coordinate, maybe this is -6 and this is 1. So the base is 7 across. And then if I extend my base out, I can see what that perpendicular height would be. So that would mean I'd need to know this coordinate here, might be 8, and this coordinate down the bottom, which might be -1. So then the height would be 9. And then I'd do half base times perpendicular height.